back to my channel. As you guys can see from title above, today I am doing the review on this Chloé bag. It is absolutely amazing. I did a video earlier where I was unboxing the bag and my first impressions of it. So far I am absolutely impressed with it. It's a great bag. You guys saw how it looks like even with the outfit that I'm wearing right now. But yeah, so I wanted to go through some of the things that I found out about this bag, some things that I like and some things that I don't like about the bag. But yeah, so first thing, we'll start out with the good stuff. It's gorgeous. It goes with everything. It matches everything. It's a high quality bag and you can tell that it's a high quality bag. I put my laptop fits in here. I put a whole bunch of stuff in here. Fits great. And it's just been really amazing. It's not too heavy on its own when it's empty. It's great. It's good. Some of the things that I didn't really like about this bag is that as you guys can see here, the handles are a bit short. So when you put it over your shoulder like this, it does end up kind of like falling off once in a while. I like handles that have a little bit more space so that you can put it over your shoulder and it can stay there. But yeah, so that's one of the things that I don't like about this bag. And then the other thing is the color is great, but it does get dirty very quickly, I find. So if you have makeup and stuff like that and you have some makeup on your hands and you're touching your bag, it can easily get dirty, and obviously you don't want that. That was one of my main concerns when I got this, but I wasn't too sure if it would be such a big issue. But it is, you know, you kind of start looking at it and you're like, oh, there's a stain here and there's a stain there. Other than that, nothing else that I can really say that's wrong about this, like that's wrong for this bag. One thing I would want, if maybe in the future, if the company wants to do this, is to add a zipper in the middle. You see how it's just open like that, right? It would be nice if it had an extra zipper. That would be definitely more helpful, and it'll just make it a little bit more put together. But other than that, it's an absolutely amazing bag. I've been really enjoying it. It's great, holds a lot of things, but you know, you don't want to ruin the bag. You don't want to put too much in there. You want to make sure that it holds enough things. But yeah, so other than that, I'm really impressed with it. I like it a lot. I would recommend it. Just wanted to give you guys a quick review on it. Obviously it's a little bit pricey, but I think it's worth it. If you have it, if you really want to get it, I would suggest it. Maybe it does come in different shades, so maybe look at different shades as well, but this goes with a lot of outfits. And you know, you don't have to wear it every day, but it could be an everyday bag as well. But yeah, so that's the review for this bag. I'm really enjoying it and I do recommend it, and I'll be styling it with different outfits to show you guys what it can go with. But yeah, so I hope this was a helpful review. I wanted to make it nice and quick so you guys get most of the points and my opinion on it. But yeah, so I recommend it. 10 out of, well, maybe 9 out of 10 I would say, just for a few of the points that I mentioned earlier. But other than that, it's a great bag. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!